Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be diving straight into how to customize your workspace in teamwork.com, your full guide for 2025. First things first, log into your teamwork.com account. Once you're in, navigate to the top right corner and click on your profile picture. This brings down a drop-down menu. Here you'll find the settings option. Click on it. This step matters because it's where you start tailoring your workspace to your liking. Now that we've done that, you will be redirected to the Settings page. Here, go to the General tab, and then click on Customize Workspace. You will see various options to change the look and feel of your workspace. The reason we do this is to set up a comfortable and user-friendly environment that enhances your productivity and makes your work experience enjoyable. Next up, you'll see options to change your workspace's color scheme, layout, and even add personal widgets. These widgets can include anything from to-do lists to calendars. This helps us because it not only makes your workspace aesthetically pleasing, but also keeps you organized and on top of your tasks. Now let's add a widget. Click on Add Widget, choose the widget you want, and then click Add. You can also rearrange and resize widgets by simply dragging and dropping them wherever you want. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. You're creating a customized dashboard that gives you a quick overview of your tasks and projects at a glance. Once you're satisfied with your workspace customization, remember to click Save Changes. This ensures that your personalized settings are applied and saved for future logins. And there you have it. You've just learned how to customize your workspace in teamwork.com, making it much more than just a workspace. It's now a tool that works for you, as unique as you are. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on our channel. Until then, happy customizing.